24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Oh well, respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. These books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And the students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the introduction to oval shape. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning objectives. Students should be able to identify and draw an oval. Sort shapes based upon one characteristic. Tell the children that they will be identifying oval shape. Show an egg, boiled egg so that they can feel it, and introduce the oval shape to the children. Tell them that the image of an egg is oval. Give it to some children to feel it and then pass it on. Play a game with children. Draw an oval shape resembling an egg on the chart. Make zigzag lines at the center of the egg, indicating a cracked eggshell. Let the children color the illustration of the egg. Once done, cut along the zigzag line to separate the eggs into distinct sections. Draw a shape on each half of the egg. Shuffle them all together and give it to children. The child places the one end of the shell on the table and searches for corresponding shell in the pile of cutouts. So, if the child places an eggshell with a circle drawn on it, he will search for the other half that has a circle drawn on it. The child searches and matches the two corresponding eggshells to complete the egg. Encourage the child to draw an oval in the air. Draw different shapes, for example, circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, ovals, etc. on the writing board and ask the children to identify oval shapes. Reinforcement worksheet of oval can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.